guys, this is GLK350 and I'll show you how to do reset of the transmission on this engine. You won't believe it how easy it is. I have an issue with this vehicle. When I just pull in fast, I start kind of pulling like a jigging, or like sometimes it's on a torque. It's basically pulling, shaking in a different location randomly. So the first thing, what would you guys to check if you change the oil, transmission oil, or done anything, any service at the dealer? I would suggest, because sometimes they can screw up your settings and not reset it. So what I would do, get inside the vehicle, turn off everything, shut the doors, don't touch anything. Get your key inside the ignition, put in the position number 1. Then press on gas all the way in and watch for the time. We need to wait for 30 seconds. If you wait a little bit more, that's totally fine. Don't press anything else. So what it does is actually resetting transmission. Right now we're resetting automatic transmission, and it's basically was shaking. I don't know what to do. People say different stories. Somebody says you need to change bearings, somebody says you need to do another thing. What else they have? Somebody say maybe transmission need to be changed. Well, 30 seconds passed. I can simply keep the feet on a pedal, turn off the keys, get the keys out, and release the pedal. Now you can start your vehicle. And right now we'll see if it's shaking anymore or do this jigging. Work like a charm. No more shaking, no more pulling. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope I helped a lot of you. Whoever has issue with their vehicles, welcome, do this first and then see if it's going to help you. This is our racer drum. Thanks for watching video, folks. Stay safe, and I'm glad to help you. Subscribe and like, go as far as you can see.